Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna close that sunroof actually really quick. And welcome back to another video. Today, feels like I have hair in my mouth. This is the worst intro ever. We are going to the shop, not actually the shop that we always go to, but the one where my tuner and mechanic is, because we're getting the Audi S5 checked out for lowering springs. So taking it to Sean, he's gonna take a couple measurements for spacers because, as I said in my last video, the wheel gap is something that I don't like. So we're putting springs on. Looks like E-Bob's pulling up. I don't know if you can see him. Suspension going on the car, ladies and gents. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. Hello. Ooh. Hello, mister.
Howdy.
Let's go windows up and actually hit a quick comfort mode. I'm not trying to drive crazy right now. We're leading the cruise. I think we're just gonna go check out the sunset, have a little fun driving, and yeah, enjoy it, because it is an absolutely beautiful day out, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you right now. I've been driving all day long, but this is still fun to me. Like, this is literally what I just like to do. What are there, like 4 of us? And we're just having fun. We're just having a good old time today. Speed limit kicked up 10 miles an hour, so I'm just gonna set cruise and yeah, chill out. I can't wait to get a little higher up and show you guys the sunset. It's beautiful. There's an R8 right there. That's funny. I didn't even notice that. Oh my gosh. As soon as I'm talking, there's a C8 Vet right there too. Cars are out. The weather is nice. All right, we are gonna stop here really quick and just take in the beautiful sunset. So, all right, this is where we're gonna stop. If this place looks familiar, it's because this is where the twin turbo Huracan was when we met at. Holy moly, it's packed. It is freaking busy.
We made it work, but you still found a ways around.
1 out of 750 Heritage Edition M4. Beautiful. Dude's pissed. Well, that was fun. Cool Heritage Edition M4. Very cool spec. I love that car. Just a quick little cruise and meet up with the guys. I think Ethan's actually still behind me. Probably gonna go enjoy the rest of the sunset at my house. Absolutely a beautiful night for driving. Man, this lighting looks cool too. I like the interior shot right now. Ugh. Kind of a gross day out, isn't it? There we go. Day 2, ladies and gents. Gloomy out, very gloomy today. Not nearly as beautiful as last night's drive was. Hope you guys enjoyed that little bit just to start this video. Yeah, we got some rain, not good. We're going to Worldwide Imports because we're looking at some spacers, we're looking at some springs, and we're getting it checked out to see what kind of spacers, what sizing I need. Then we're going to M22 detailing, so we're hitting all the shops today. We're seeing exactly what is up with them today. There's a fly on the inside of my car. 1 second. I did get it. I'm the only one on the road. Not that it matters. Safety is first. Although they say safety is the enemy of progress. I'll see you guys when we get there. Oh, what do we have here today? Some Beamers, some Benzes, the usual. Very cool. I'm gonna park and go say hello. The RS3 is in for some love today as well. Sean said they were prepping this for the track. Not sure what event is happening, but this thing is a beauty. All right, we're back from the shop and we have a bit of an update. So we got the wheel spacers checked out, measured, all that business, and I was encouraged to just go ahead and send the springs first, drive on them for a couple days, let them settle, and then remeasure, because then we'll get a better understanding of what we actually need as far as the spacers. So sizing is looking to be pretty thick. Man, the fitment is just not where I want it to be right now. We're probably looking at like 20 millimeters in the front and 25 in the rear, which is that is a thick spacer. We're gonna go ahead and order the springs now and get them on hopefully mid-May. We're probably gonna end up making a couple videos out of that because I know a lot of people really like suspension videos, suspension setups, fitment, all that business. So what I'm planning on doing is sending the springs, seeing how they fit, all that, and then the spacers. So that's the update with that, but right now I'm headed to the shop, the detailing shop, and hanging out, seeing what they got going on there. Ladies and gentlemen, taking a step inside the Stage 2 S3, owned by Mr. Mitchell here, who is going on the rally, just signed up actually. Took one of the last few spots. Gonna be seeing this going all the way across, well, I guess it's around the lake, around Lake Michigan. Blue and purple, ladies and gentlemen. These are brand new wheels, by the way. Rohana Customs. I haven't got on the A6. Definitely windy. Definitely can't hear me. What the heck? Am I tripping or are those paw prints? That's kind of funny. I wonder what animal is up on his car. So this Land Cruiser is the project that Evan was talking about. Coming in. This is fully restored by the owner. A couple paint imperfections that are going to be fixed up. I believe it's getting coated fully. This thing is cool. Also this Corvette that I think I showed earlier, but lots of cool stuff today. Lots going on, running errands, getting stuff done. Oh, and Mr. Ethan cut himself on accident.
Battle loaned.
I did it, ladies and gents. I got a haircut finally. Holy cow. Thank you guys so much for the support as of recently on the channel, on the videos. Like, it's been awesome. We have gained like 800 subscribers this month, which is bonkers to me. That puts us like 500 away, like 500 and something away right now from 5,000. So as always, the support is appreciated. Let's get to 5K soon. That would be so sick. For real, like, it makes me happy. I don't know if you can see, we got the scoot right now under the tarp because it was sprinkling a little earlier today. Just wanted to use that as a precaution because you can't have the scoot getting wet and rusty. The fitment, still an issue, but we are scheduled for May 11th to get that figured out with these spacers and the springs. So that'll be happening soon. Cannot wait to get that on and have the fitment looking good. With the 19-inch wheels right now, I'll be the first to admit it does not look that good. We're gonna put a drop on it. It's gonna be flush. If you're new and want to see more of this kind of content, subscribe, hit the like button, and until next time, guys, adios.